Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a young shepherd boy named Jack. Jack's days were spent tending to his flock of sheep, and he found joy in the simplicity of his life. One sunny day, as Jack sat atop a hill, watching over his grazing sheep, a mischievous idea entered his mind. With a sly grin, he decided to play a trick on the villagers. Jack climbed to the top of a large rock and took a deep breath. In a loud and dramatic voice, Jack shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is coming!" Hearing the urgent cry, the villagers dropped what they were doing and rushed to Jack's aid. Concern etched on their faces, they asked, "Where is the wolf?" With a mischievous twinkle in his eye, Jack chuckled, "Oh, there's no wolf. I just wanted to see how quickly you would come." The villagers, though annoyed by the false alarm, laughed off the prank and returned to their work. Jack, finding the trick amusing, couldn't resist the temptation to try it again. A few days later, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Jack's mischievous spirit returned. Once more, he climbed the rock and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is coming!" Again, the villagers rushed to Jack's aid, only to discover there was no wolf. This time, their patience wore thin, and they scolded Jack for his false alarm. Weeks passed, and Jack continued his daily routine. However, one fateful day, a real wolf approached the flock. Terrified, Jack screamed, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is coming!" This time, when the villagers heard Jack's cry, they hesitated. The memory of his previous pranks lingered, and they questioned the authenticity of his plea. The wolf, seizing the opportunity, attacked the flock, causing chaos among the sheep. In desperation, Jack pleaded for help, but the villagers, skeptical of another prank, didn't respond as quickly. The wolf, having had its fill, vanished into the wilderness. Jack, with a heavy heart, realized the consequences of his actions. The once trusted shepherd had lost the trust of the villagers, and the lesson learned was clear: honesty is paramount, and trust, once broken, is not easily mended. The tale of the shepherd boy and the wolf became a cautionary story, reminding everyone that honesty and trust are invaluable virtues, and the consequences of deceit can be more profound than one could ever imagine.